Ready to ditch the chaos and finally get your projects organized? Today, we're diving into Basecamp to show you just how easy it is to create a new task and get things moving. So first things first, let's click on a project where you want to add your task. Now, navigate to the To-Do section. This is where all your project's tasks live. Click on it, and you'll be presented with your existing to-do lists, or an empty space if it's a brand new project. See that button that says Add a To-Do List? Click that to create a new list, like website updates or marketing campaign. Give your list a clear title so everyone knows what it's about. Then click Add This To-Do List, and now, you're ready to add a new task. Okay, under your newly created to-do list, you'll see a button that says Add a To-Do. Click it. Now, fill in the details. Start with a clear description of the task so everyone knows what needs to be done. You can also assign the task to a specific team member using the assignee field. Finally, set a realistic due date to keep things on track. Don't forget to add any relevant attachments or links. You can also add comments for more detailed instructions or contacts. The more information you provide, the better. Once you're happy with all the details, click Add This To-Do. Boo! Your task is now live and visible to the assigned team member and other project collaborators. And that's it. Creating tasks in Basecamp is that simple. Now you can keep your projects organized and your team on the same page. Happy Basecamping!